I'm going to show you how to create a navigation form that automatically opens when you open up your workbook. So here I have a basic inventory sheet where I have the receiving, and then I have the product number, the product, the quantity, and the price, and then I have the shipping, and I have the same values in here, but obviously different quantities in both of those. Now, if you want your staff to go in here to add products or to ship products, you only want them going in here. And so what we've done, or what I've done, is I have created a navigation form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this sheet, and then I'm going to open it back up again, and I'll show you my navigation form. Okay, so now I'm going to open it back up again. And so basically what it does is it gives you options. You can either go to receiving, you can go to shipping, or you can close the form. And notice it opened up automatically when I opened up this sheet. So let's go to receiving, and it puts you in the bottom area. Now you would probably have many products on this receiving sheet, and so now let's, from the receiving sheet, you think, well, I'll go to shipping. And then you go to shipping, and you're once again at the bottom line of the shipping form. And then the last button is to close form. And so now let me show you the code that I've done this, how I've done this. So I'm going to the Developer tab. I'm going to Visual Basic. And basically what I've done, I will of course include this code in my sheet. What I've done is I have this is the code I've written. Is for each button we're activating worksheet receiving, and then we're going to the end row of receiving, and end rows first column select, and that's exactly the same as I've done for the receiving, the shipping, and then I've close the user form. It's simply unload me. And so if you double click the user form, this is what it looks like, right? And so you basically just with this menu, you just select buttons and put them on, and then you put your information in here. Now, to make it come up automatically, what you need to do is you need to go to the workbook, and the workbook, it's simple. It's a simple step. You select workbook and you select open from these drop downs, and that's what they need to be, is workbook and open. And then private sub, workbook open, user form 1 show, and sub. And so that is how you create a navigation form that automatically opens up when the workbook is open. Please subscribe.